This is absurd. This whole thing is absurd.
Now, I don't know who
The civil authority has issued required monthly tests for the following counties or areas. New Jersey, at 10:50 a.m. on March 15th, 2022, effective until 12:50 p.m. The New Jersey Office of Emergency Management is conducting a test of the emergency alert system. Had this been an actual emergency, the attention signal you have just heard would have been followed by official information or instructions. This concludes the test of the emergency alert system.
Bro, what kind of a voice was that?
As I explained to you and to the police,
Bro, what kind of a
I
voice
stopped
was
by to
that?
see how she was doing. Part of my job is to console the grief.
I don't even like that voice.
Chatted with her, we prayed together, and then
Hold
I
on.
drove back to the church.
and the cross the police found at her house.
Yes, I have a habit of taking it off my neck when I...
Guys, y'all just heard that voice. I don't like that voice. Like, seriously, they just pulled up a freaking North Carolina voice right there. That's so stupid. Why would they do that? I'm giving a rail on that one, too. They just pulled up a North Carolina voice, bruh. And that's stupid. Alright. Alright, this is done.